Okay, so opening and submitting a project. I'll start with opening a project. There are three ways to open a project. The first one is just to actually find the project. So in this case, we'll just work on my first Java project. And that's inside my storm and class, first day. And right there's my project. It's the one that ends in Java. So if you know what you're doing and can navigate a computer pretty easy, this isn't a big deal. You just go find your Java file. Now what I do is I just right click on it to make sure that, that I'm opening it with the right program, because depending on what's installed on your computer could open with different things. So we just want to select Dr. Java. And get that loaded up there. Yep, there it is. Okay, so Dr. Java, that's one way to open it. The next way, I'm going to close out of this project and we're going to go close file. The next way is to go under, once Dr. Java is opened, you'll just go to File. And if you look down here at the bottom of File, this will show your most recent files. And that's good right there. There's my first Java project. That was the one I most recently had open. So I'll click on that as well. Boom, there that is again. This works if you're trying to open up something that you recently looked at, and so that's fine. You can do it that way. The last way, this is probably the best way, is just to open up Dr. Java, go into File, and then select Open. And then you just navigate to where the file is. So most of your files, if you've done like the first tutorial was, you should have a folder with your name. Just double click on that. Is it a class? Is it a lab? Or is it a project? We want a class. And class name, we know it was in the first day folder. And so we just select my first Dr. Java project. And that's what we want, my first Java project. So those are the three ways to open up a file. Talk about why you want to open up one later, but that's how you do it. Next thing is, okay, this is your finished project or lab. This is something you actually want to submit. So how do you do that? Well, all you need to do is once Dr. Java is open, you're looking at the code, you're happy with it, you're ready to, you've tested it, so we'll run it. And there's our world. And there's our turtle. Good, everything works the way we want to. We want to submit this. So all you do, go to Dr. Java, you go edit and select all. That's going to select all your code, and then edit and copy. That's it. Now, open up a favorite web browser, Firefox, Chrome, Safari. You're going to go to moodle.clhscadets.com, comp sci. Once there, find your Java class right there. And you just want to navigate, find the project that you want to submit to. Okay, so this isn't real, but we'll say, okay, we want to submit to project 01, Ponyville. So you just click on Ponyville, and right here, you'll see the Add Submission button. Just click on Add Submission. And it's open both file submission and online text. I keep the file submissions open just in case you do have to send a file. And I might ask for one, maybe a picture file or something. It's there if you need it. Usually not going to use it. You want to go to the online text box, click inside there, and you can go edit and paste. There you go. There's your code. That's what you submit. Once that's ready, you just click Save Changes. Your project will be submitted and ready for grading.